Thank you for viewing the Part 1 Inpatient Data Elements video. In this video, we will give you a brief overview of the data elements you can use in your report generation. As mentioned in our other videos, these elements have been categorized with prefixes that will help you determine if the element is related to a hospital, patient, physician, or services. You will find that most of the health metrics interactive reports start out by showing hospital metrics. Notice hospital is shown in the Analyze by drop-down. Whatever element is shown in this text box will be shown in your report. Here we can see this report shows all hospitals, with inpatient metrics, in the state of Florida for calendar year 2018. You can interact with any Florida hospital to find the detail you need for projects. The next hospital data element is a value-added field for bed ranges. Here you can get metrics on hospitals that fall into different bed sizes. Questions you might consider might be, are average length of stays higher with larger hospitals? Or what are the differences in charges? The next data element is hospital county. This will show you metrics coming from any hospital that is located in that county. Keep in mind this is the county where the hospital is located, not the patient's. The next hospital data element is another value-added field that will show you whether the hospital has a status of profit or nonprofit. This element may be able to help you in defining how communities are best served based on this status. The next data element is hospital region. This element shows those regions that correlate to local health councils. This can make it easier to view data by hospital council regions. As a result, if you were to filter or drill down into Broward Health Hospital Planning Council, you would only see data for that region. The next data element shows the type of hospital. This data element divides the long-term hospitals and the rehabilitation hospitals. This element is probably beneficial to rehab hospitals so they can compare performance. The next hospital data element is a value-added field showing hospital systems. Here you can explore what hospital are in what parent system. This may help with comparing system performance and to drill down to see individual facility performance within each system. The next hospital data element is hospital type. With this element you can see which hospitals are rural, psychiatric, or long-term care. This can help you see how different hospitals provide services to their communities. The next hospital data element is a value-added field showing the hospital zip code. This element shows the zip code where the hospital is located. Remember, this field is different from the patient zip code. When selected, this field will add the metrics of any patient that went to the hospitals in that zip code. For instance, if two hospitals are in the same zip code, all patients from both hospitals will be counted in the metrics. That concludes part 1 of our introduction to the data elements available in health metrics. Please continue to part 2, where we will go over those data elements related to patients. Thank you again for viewing our support videos.